I'm going to show you the ingredients. Flour, milk powder, sugar, plums, baking powder, ghee. Going to blend the sugar and make into powder. Now let's start blending. Let's blend. Okay friends, I'm going to show you. So powder. See? Friends, after you finish blending the sugar, I'm going to add all of the ingredients, but don't only add the plums. Now I'm going to add the ingredients. First, flour. And milk powder. Then I'm adding the baking powder. Then I'm adding the sugar powder. I'm going to mix the dry ingredients, then I add the ghee. Now let's mix. Like this. After you mix this for a while, add the ghee. I'm adding the ghee. Now I'm going to mix. It's like this. Hey friends, see? Ready! Now I'm going to apply some ghee in my hand and make ball. Friends, let's start making ball. Don't make it crack like this. See friends, so nice, no crack, so beautiful shape. Now I'm going to add some plums in the center, in the middle. Make it like this, friends. So friends, I have finished making all of the biscuit and they are ready to go into the oven. So before that, preheat the oven and keep the biscuits in the oven to 20 minutes. For 20 minutes. So sure you will like,